You guys have seen us use this before. This is called a pro ground, professional ground, call it a pro ground. So the kit comes with drill bit, the wire brush to make the paint scrape off, and then your self-tapping as well. So I like to put mine right here every time I do them. It's a very easy spot to locate. It's not going to interfere with the seat. Boom. So you do want to be careful when you are using this, because if you go too far or wiggle it out of line and it's not straight, you'll wallow out your hole. That's it. Don't do any more. Once it's through, it's through. Alright, now we got our wire brush, and it's got this little alignment hole that sticks right in here. And we'll come back with the vacuum and clean that up. But now you got a perfect hole for it, every time. Star washer, bolt into here, and I'm going to use the impact very lightly, because you can overdo this and then you have another hole that you have to seal up and try again. And that's how we do our pro grounds.